Bitcoin is at $109,000 once again, and it's crazy because things are starting to get quiet and boring, which this whole thing still blows my mind, guys. Bitcoin made a new all-time high. No one really cared. Bitcoin is just chilling at 109, 110 area, and still no one really cares. It's like no one cares about Bitcoin anymore. But let's talk about it because we already know we care about Bitcoin on this channel, and this is the place to be for your daily Bitcoin updates. Now, with Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, we can see a couple things here. First off, it's been pretty much stagnant on the day. In the past week as well, guys, only up 2%, but obviously we made a new all-time high literally a couple days ago, which again, people like don't understand this for some reason. In the past month, guys, Bitcoin is up 16%, and in the past year, Bitcoin is up 57%. Holy smokes. And obviously, guys, look at this beautiful chart for Bitcoin, guys. How much higher can we go? We're gonna have to wait and find out. Now, let's go over today's TLDRs, and there's a Bitcoin conference going on right now, so there's a couple of things that I want to talk about today. So to start off, guys, quantum computers could soon crack Bitcoin's encryption. Now, I keep seeing a lot of people talking about this, but this has been debunked multiple times, because the thing is, there could always be a hard fork. There could always be, more security measures. There could always be better ways to figure this out. Now, the thing I keep seeing is, think about it. If you want to crack a bank account, it's a couple numbers, as opposed to a Bitcoin seed phrase, way harder. Okay, so a couple things to take note of over there. Okay, now next up we can see Bitcoin ETFs attract substantial inflows, signaling a shift towards regulated, transparent financial products over traditional hedge funds, right? That's pretty cool. We can see Bitcoin's integration into traditional finance accelerates with the introduction of spot ETFs, predicting $300 billion inflows by 2026, which is insane. And again, more news on MicroStrategy buying, but I believe that's old news. Now, a couple things I want to talk about, right? First off, I could talk about, like I said earlier, I don't know, I can't speak English today, but like I was saying, Bitcoin 2025 is happening right now, and fast food giant Steak and Shake announced they're saving 50% in processing fees by accepting Bitcoin payments. Now, what do you guys think is going to happen when the world realizes that taking Bitcoin payments is just way better than taking, card or credit card, debit card, or whatever that may be? Now, obviously, cash is going to be the best. They say cash is king, but what's going to happen when people realize that Bitcoin is just way more convenient? Guys, the mass adoption is about to be ridiculous, which is why I know a lot of people are just stacking up on so much Bitcoin. I mean, even the official Bitcoin meme coin, so many people are just stacking up on this as well, which, by the way, I'll leave a link to it down below. They've raised over $6 million. You guys could buy this with card or crypto. A lot of people are stacking up on both of these coins, guys. Bitcoin, obviously, because it's just the best crypto of all time, and the BTC Bull meme coin, because you earn Bitcoin airdrops by holding this meme coin. It's pretty freaking cool. Again, link down below. You guys can go check it out. Now, next up as well, I thought this was pretty interesting. So $11.5 trillion BlackRock managing director said Bitcoin has much higher upside than gold. Again, when you have BlackRock managing that much money saying that, it's important. Now, I thought this graph was pretty interesting as well. So Bitcoin now has the same number of users as the internet had in 1999. We are literally just getting started, ladies and gentlemen. Now listen, guys, if you did enjoy this video, I want you guys to do me a favor, leave a like, subscribe down below, and guys, I will see you all in the next one. Take care.